Hey guys, so today I want to show you guys how I like to apply my sheet mask. You're probably wondering,
who needs a video on how to apply sheet mask?
Well, my mom. Surprisingly, a lot of people when I first introduce them to a sheet mask, they don't know how to apply it. They tend to just like slap it on and it just dangles off their face. And if you like to do that, do you. But I'm going to show you how I like to do it. And the first thing I like to do is put this bottom mouth area and match it up with my mouth. First area that I'll go for is my chin. And then the sides I'll pull down like so. And then the other side. And if it's too big, then I'll just fold over the side. And there it stays on my face and doesn't slide off.
So I like to use a sheet mask cover. It keeps the sheet mask in place if I'm doing anything, and it prolongs the hydration of my sheet mask. So after the time is up, don't wash the residue off. You want those vitamins, amino acids, and minerals to soak into your skin. So just massage and pat into your skin. With the leftover essence, you could rub it all over your body, or you can store it for later. So for my gals out there that have sensitive skin and you can't seem to find a sheet mask that work for you, try a compressed sheet mask, and you can use basically your serum, your essence, your toner, whatever you may have, and just use that as a mask. So compressed masks are a great way to customize your own sheet mask. You can see on the left side, the eye hole and the mouth hole are quite small.
So I hope this was a helpful video, and I'll see you guys in another video.